Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to answer a burning question, which is can you delete all of your TikTok videos at once? So let's start. Let's first open the TikTok app and go to your profile from bottom right corner. And now the moment of truth. There is no such option to delete all your videos at once on the TikTok app. So what you have to do is you have to individually delete all of your videos. Tap on the video. Now tap on three dots and delete video. And that's how you have to do to all of your videos. If you want to get rid of your videos while having small number of followers, then I'll suggest you to delete your account. Tap on the three dots on top right corner and tap on manage account. And then tap on delete account at the bottom of the screen. By doing this, you will be able to delete all of your videos at once as well as delete your account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.